Hello, my name is Tudor Moore, and I will be presenting my topic, Municipal Solid Waste Recycling, Labeling Information and How and Why to Properly Recycle. My introduction. By incorporating proper and informative municipal solid waste recycling methods, it can substantially impact the consumption and production of recyclable refuse. As such, recyclable materials have the opportunity to be reprocessed and eventually reused, saving raw materials as well as reducing other environmental impacts. Now, this is important because it is to strive towards our sustainable development goals of responsible consumption and production to ensure sustainable consumption and production patterns. My research goal is to learn about the impact of properly reading labels of recyclables and how to properly recycle them through proper channels. I was able to utilize the Henry Madden Library Research Database, and I was able to find a peer-reviewed article about a study on how well citizens understood how to properly recycle based on packaging label. This provided significant knowledge and data on the topic regarding the impact of labeling on recyclable items. One of my results is differentiating bins. As you can see, there are 4 bins in this image, one for compost, one for cans and bottles, one for paper, and one for waste. By bringing awareness on this matter, it can promote the need to teaching on how to properly interpret the usage of available bins in an area, preventing the mistake of placing recyclable refuse in the wrong recyclable bin, or worse, in a bin meant for trash. The second of my 3 results is helpfulness of labels. In this graph, it records the data on the percentage of what citizens has reported on how labels are helpful. In the article, The Role of Labels in Directing Consumer Packaging Waste, it recorded the percentage of citizens that reported that labeling benefited them on how to recycle. As you can see back on the diagram, the chart showed that the citizens reported that the labeling somewhat or helped a great deal. My third result of my research is institutional involvement. In order to prevent over-inclusive recycling, further development of the recyclable refuse collection is needed, as it can confuse and intimidate those who are unsure on how to properly recycle. Conclusions. With a better understanding of labels or constructing the label to be easier understood, it can positively impact on how recycling is conducted, as it can be confusing and intimidating when individuals consider how they can mistakenly place the wrong items into the wrong bins. With further development and awareness, this can allow materials to be reprocessed and eventually reused in its life cycle, leading to consumers and producers to reconsider how these items should be managed and arranged to ensure sustainable consumption and production patterns. What can you do as a consumer of materials and producer of waste to help reach our global sustainable development goal? By following the methods to reduce, reuse, and recycle, consumers can limit the amount of waste generation. This additional step can help in preventing the amount of recyclable refuse that may end up in landfill. By utilizing available information that is provided by counties and the state to make an informed decision on how to properly recycle through the proper channels. Acknowledgements. First and foremost, I would like to thank Dr. Susan Miller-He with the opportunity to present this topic to my peers and the public, as well as for her assistance in teaching regarding the importance of municipal solid waste management. Below is a list of references of the articles that I used to help in my research. Thank you very much.